Rows 3 and 8 are worked exactly the same in this pattern. On these rows, you'll see that the cables have come together and now they want to cross. They'll cross by having the right leg of the cable cross over top of the left leg of the cable. We call this a C2, F2. The other stitches that aren't a part of the cable are worked according to the 3 rules of fission knitting. This is a background stitch. I'm going to purl it. I come to 2 design stitches facing the back. I'm going to slip them purlwise with my marl in front. I'm going to purl this background stitch, and I come to a C2, F2. And put the first 2 stitches on the cable needle and hold them in front. I move my marl to the back, and now I have 2 design stitches. I'm going to work them by knitting them through the back loop in their previous color. So in this case, they're gray. And then I'm going to work the 2 design stitches off of the cable needle, and I will also work them in their previous color. I'm knitting them through the back loop in gray. So you can see that the right leg has crossed over the left leg of this cable. I'm going to work across to the next cable, and I'll do this without a cable needle. I'm going to take my right needle and bring it to the back of my work, and I'm going to insert it purlwise into the 3rd and 4th stitch on the needle. I'm going to pinch my work and pull my left needle out. You'll see that there's 2 stitches that are loose in the front now, and I'm going to catch them with my left needle. I'm going to move those 2 stitches back to the left needle. You can see that the stitches are now rearranged, and I can just work them in this new order. And they're all gray, so I'm going to work them all in their previous color, which is gray. And I will continue working the background stitches by purling them, the design stitches facing the back by slipping them purlwise with my marl in front, and crossing these design stitches facing the front with a C2, F2. You'll note that these first 2 cable crosses had all the stitches in gray. You might be crossing cables that are 2 different colors. You work the stitches all in their previous color.